In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free notebooklm for students. By the end, you'll be signed in and ready to use Google's AI research and note-taking tool at no cost, perfect for organizing sources, asking questions about your materials, and speeding up study sessions. First, open your preferred web browser and go to notebooklm.google. If the address ever changes or you land on a regional page, simply search for notebooklm by Google and choose the official result. Availability can vary by country and account type, so if you see a notice about access, don't worry. I'll share quick tips in a moment. On the home page, look for the main call to action labeled Try notebooklm. Click it. This button takes you straight into the app experience. If you're redirected to an information page or a brief overview, that's normal. Use the same Try or Get Started button there. You may also see a short consent or terms screen. Skim it and continue. Next, select your Google account. If you have more than one, I recommend choosing your school account so your work and saved notebooks stay aligned with your classes. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your usual credentials and complete any verification steps. Make sure pop-ups aren't blocked and that your browser is up to date. This helps avoid sign-in loops or blank screens. After a moment, you'll be brought into notebooklm. That's it. You can now use notebooklm for free. You should see a clean workspace where you can create notebooks and add your class materials like PDFs, slides, or links to readings. From there, notebooklm can help you summarize content, highlight key points, and answer questions grounded in the sources you've provided. It's especially helpful for exam prep and research projects because it keeps citations tied to your materials, so you can double-check answers and stay accurate. A few quick tips if you hit a snag. If you're told access isn't available in your region, try again later or switch to a supported location or network when possible. If your school's domain restricts new apps, ask your IT admin to allow notebooklm. And if you're stuck on a loading screen, refresh, clear your cache, or try a different browser. Using a single, consistent Google account for schoolwork also prevents confusion between personal and academic files. To recap, go to notebooklm.google, click Try notebooklm, choose your Google account, and you're in, ready to use notebooklm for free as a powerful study companion. Happy studying and enjoy the boost to your research and note-taking workflow.